claims for the zkFair airdrop are now live, and if you ever interacted on an Ethereum L2, especially the Polygon zkEVM, I recommend you go to the zkFair airdrop claim page and check to see if you're eligible. The claim is live for another 8.5 days, so until January 11th you can claim this. I was eligible for 4,804 ZKF tokens. I did not actively farm this airdrop. These tokens were basically the result of conducting some transactions on the Polygon zkEVM as well as other zkL2s. So think Scroll, zkSync, etc. And so if you have been farming some of these other Ethereum L2 airdrops, the ZK ones anyways, you may have accidentally qualified for the zkFair airdrop, which you can go and claim at their airdrop claim page. And I'll throw a link to this down below. Make sure that the claim page you're visiting is zkFair.io/airdrop. Now, in terms of what this is actually worth, currently one ZKF token is worth about 1.5 cents. So not a whole lot, but also not too bad because this is 70 USDC of free money that I just claimed. And who knows, maybe the price of it will go up. The new meta in airdrops, especially after Celestia, seems to suggest that it's not going to be just down only after the token drops. So I think I might hold on to this one because it's not really worth all that much anyways, and I'm curious to see what happens with it. But even if you have a claim available and you need that $70 or whatever you get to pay for gas fees to keep farming other airdrops, well, free money is free money. So you should go and check if you're eligible for this, and if you are, may as well claim if it's worth anything. And when you do claim your ZKF tokens on the zkFair airdrop page and you want to swap them, you can do so on Izumi Finance or on SideSwap. On both of these dexes, the ZKF USDC pair is up and running, so there's liquidity for these swaps if you want to sell your ZKF tokens immediately. So good luck, and let's hope that this is only just the beginning of a 2024 filled with airdrops, and I already know that there's some other big ones in the works, so stay tuned.